I often think how the desktop application get auto update option. In case of if we build any website, it get auto update when anyone redeploy or on the version or make changes on the GitHub. But how about the desktop application? Did we have to visit every time on the websites and download the new version? So I was thinking about it and I come to know about the GitHub releases. It is a really awesome product. What it does, it will be update your desktop application based on your latest new releases. How to do it? It is very simple. First of all, you have to keep your repo public or you have to choose another applications like AWS Azure who can do on your behalf. So I am using the GitHub and now it is recently public. First of all, you have to make changes and commit it. So what are the changes I am going to make? First of all, I am going to change my new version. Here it is. Okay. So first of all, we have to change our new version. So I am going to make a 1.1.0. Okay, this is my latest version which I am going to release. What in just for the demo I am doing this. Next, after we have to go on the package.json, update this too. Yes, so this is updated with the same version what I want to do. Now what we have to do, we have to push these changes to the GitHub. So hashtag new releases v1.1.0. So as I launched my new release, it will be go to the GitHub and commit the changes. Now what you have to do, first of all, here I have created the readme file, commit changes. Okay, so these are the few lines. To first of all, we have to create a new tag and push it to the GitHub. For example, okay, yes. So I have created my new tag and push it to the GitHub. Means I have created my new release as a draft. So if I went here to the releases option, I can see my new release will be visible here. It is still building. Okay, so here we can see our GitHub is still building our new release. And once it build our new release, we can see it on the GitHub. While it is building, I will be going to explain how it is going to work. So here in the dist folder, I can see first of all here we have our YAML file. Okay, so what it check our version. So it compares in our local in our backend somewhere it must contain the YAML file and what been on the GitHub. So it will compare is it version less than the previous one or it is different. If it is different, so what it will do, it will try to pull it from there. So for example, here we can see our logs. Yes, so our new release has been completely built. Now we have to went to the actions. What else? Now I can see the my new release here. As soon as I get my new release 1.1.0 from the draft, I have to send it to the publish. So I have to publish this new release. I have to go to the edit. Uh, we can add the screenshot or anything preview. Publish the release. Once I publish my release, I can see here. It will start loading. Once I have to close it again and I have to reopen it. On reopening it, it will start fetching. Okay. So what else? Cool. So we can see the dot here. It is start fetching. Okay, update available. It will start fetching. This panel is visible to me only because I am admin. I have set it something like this. Okay, it will give me option to install or restart. And as soon as I restart my version, I can see my the latest build has been released and it has been pulled by my project. Okay, finish. Dismiss. Let's go on the board. Yep, it's already up to date. So like this, we can make changes to our desktop applications too without allowing user to re-download again and again, going to the website and downloading them. We can directly download it from on our own website. Even we can check for the updates again and again. It's updated or not. Yes, it's updated, so it will display it. If any queries or comments, put it here. I so so this is a small application I was currently building a text to speech voice application. We have to keep pressing our any of the keypad and it will start capturing our voice, convert it to a text and paste it instantly. So it will be help us in writing. Thank you. See you in next video.